Before running C program, we need to install compiler and editor in our computer. In this tutorial, we following below steps. Step 1, installing MinGw compilers. Step 2, setting up environment variable. Step 3, installing Visual Studio Code editor. Now I am starting step 1, that is installing MinGw compiler. Go to the Google search and search MinGw. Click on the link with mingw.org website. Top bar of the website, click downloads button. It will redirect to SourceForge website where you can download the installation manager. Click download latest version button and wait for few seconds. After that, it will download a small file in your computer. Click on that setup file and click run button and install. Select the required options and selecting installation directory in C drive with MinGw path and then click continue. What it will doing is it will download installation manager in your computer. From that installation manager you can download the compiler. Once installation is complete, then click continue and it will open the installation manager form. From installation manager, I am right click and select MinGw32 base and MinGw CCC, then go to installation and apply changes. Apply. Once you apply the things, it will start download all compiler files and store it in your C drive with MinGw path. You can see here in C drive there is MinGw folder here. Double click on that folder, go to the bin and see all the files is downloaded here. In step 2, what we are doing is we setting the environment variable. Click on start menu on Windows, type cmd, click it and just type gcc space -v and see here there is gcc command is not recognizing here. So what we need to do is we need to set environment variable there. To setting the environment variable, go to start menu, right click on the computer, properties and advanced system setting, click on environment variable and just search in system variable the name with path, double click it and at the end you need to add bin folder directory path there. Just go to the my computer C drive MinGw and in bin directory and copy the path there, copy and then at the end you need to add semicolon and paste that bin directory path. Then click OK. Now go to the start menu, type cmd and now press gcc -v. Look here, there is it will show gcc will show its version and environment variable is set properly. Step 3, installing Visual Studio Code. In Google search, type Visual Studio Code and enter. From the code.visualstudio.com website, just click the download Visual Studio Code there. Mine is Windows version, so I am downloading Windows version of the Visual Studio Code. Wait for few seconds. It will start downloading Visual Studio setup file. Click on that file and click run. Click next. Read the license and accept the things and then next and just check the required options there and then click next, then install. So it will install the Visual Studio Code in your computer.